A ball of mass 2 kilograms is thrown vertically upward from the top of a building. The ball's velocity v is given as a function of time t by the equation v of t is equal to r minus st, where r is 5 meters per second and s is 10 meters per second squared. The positive direction is upward. If the ball reaches the ground at t equals 2 seconds, what is the height of the building? You may pause the video now and attempt an answer of your own. In order to better understand this situation, it might be useful to consider a motion diagram for the motion being described. Look at the animation and think about it. They tell you that the ball is thrown upwards, which means that it follows an accelerated motion like this, and since the acceleration is downwards, it will eventually fall. They tell us that this takes a time interval of 2 seconds. And it is clear now that what you want to discover is this displacement delta y. If you want to get the displacement, there are several ways to go about it. The more mechanical way to solve it would be to take this formula. Delta y over t, which is the average velocity, is equal to the average of initial and final velocities. Now, set the initial velocity to 5 meters per second, because that is the velocity at time 0. The final velocity will have to be evaluated as 5 minus 10 times 2, which is negative 15 meters per second, which makes perfect sense because the object is falling. Now, given that situation, your displacement is equal to 5 meters per second plus negative 15 meters per second divided by 2 times the time of 2 seconds. And this is, of course, negative 10 meters. This is the algebraic, non-calculus way to solve it. And given that they are asking about the height, the sign or direction is irrelevant. They only want the magnitude. So your answer is B, 10 meters. Thank you for watching. See you next time.